Shalom, my brothers and sisters. Hey, what's going on, Kingdom people? You know what it is, your boy Lando. You know, this ain't gonna be a long video. Just come to talk to y'all real quick. Just drop a little gem, and maybe not even a gem, maybe just to have a conversation with you. So, turn this AC off. All right, let's talk about the market right now. Let's talk about everything that's going on. I keep hearing it. I keep reading it. This year is gonna be a bad year for financially for a lot of people. I'm not saying you. You know, it's all about your mindset. Look. Know what I mean? So look, that's what I got going on. So I gotta say to y'all, so this year is not the year to be splurging, right? Even if you're making the money, so what? Stack it up. This is the year to stack it up. This is the year to hold on to your money, invest your money. It's a lot going on. We're definitely in a recession. Whether they announce it or not, we're in a recession. I feel like we've been in a recession since, the summertime. So I'm gonna say, stack your money up. This is the year to pull back. You ain't gotta buy those shoes. You're not gotta buy that outfit. You're gonna have to hold back this year because it's a lot of uncertainty in the air, right? We're definitely in a recession. I keep reading it over and over like it's a financial crash coming. Okay, save your money. You know what happened during the down market, man? A lot of millionaires are created during the down market. So let this market really crash. You got your money stacked up. Go invest over there. Go in real estate, all that. I wouldn't dare buy a house this year. I wouldn't dare buy a house this year because interests are crazy. Interest rates crazy. House prices crazy. So I'm gonna say, stack your money up this year. This is the year to stack your money up. I'm gonna say that, man. But it's a lot of truckers selling their business or getting out of the trucking business, and I can't also say I disagree with that. I get it. If your business is not providing what you need to survive, you got to know when to quit. You got to know if your business is sustainable. You got to know if you don't got to be in profit, but profit got to be coming. You know, you see it coming. If you keep going in your bank account over and over and over and over and over and over, and you've been in the business 7-8 months, sometimes that's some people's journey. But you gotta know if it makes sense for you. I can't tell you what to do, but you gotta know what makes sense for your business. So a lot of truckers are getting out of business right now, getting a job, and I wouldn't even say that's a bad idea. It depends on how your stuff set up, right? Because right now, inflation, rates are low, hey, gas is high. It's not to be negative. I'm just saying, you just gotta go to the drawing board and check your finances, make sure everything makes sense. And this is the year to stack up your money, man. And for me, I ain't going nowhere. I ain't going nowhere. I'm in the trucking industry. I ain't going nowhere. Now, I do have some things I'm working on in the trucking and outside of trucking. That's one of the main reasons I'm home. I'm still in the trucking business. You see, but I can't tell y'all yet though about that. Not yet. It's not time yet. I don't want to mess up what I got going on. But I would just say move wisely this year. Move wisely. Whether you making that money or not, move wisely. Now is the time to stack it up. Hold on to it and wait. Wait, something big is coming. Get some investment property, stuff like that. But I told you I ain't gonna talk to y'all long. I'm just really here to let y'all know what's going on, man. If you gotta get rid of your trucking business or whatever business you have, hey, so what? It gotta make sense for you. It's no need to be holding on to a business that don't make sense for you, especially financially. right? You started putting yourself in the hole. It's gotta make sense for you. Go back to the drawing board, figure it out. But that's it, man. I ain't even gonna talk to y'all too long. It's your boy Lando. I am the man, dude. You know what I mean?